Are you sick of being overworked and underpaid? Are you ready for a change? Are you ready to learn how to actually make money online in your sleep? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make up to $1,400 per sale with an online business that you only have to set up one time. So, quick disclaimer, this is not a get rich quick scheme. I'm not guaranteeing any results. Everything is based on your effort. Just like I've made thousands of dollars with this business based on my effort. So, if you're new here, I'm Dan. I'm from Michigan. I'm a former Marine, I'm a former monk, and now I help everyday men and women make 6 and 7 figures online without having to work a job. So I discovered this business after my company cut my pay. That's when I decided I didn't want to get another job because I don't like jobs. I don't like being overworked and underpaid. I don't like exchanging my time for money, and I don't like being bossed around. So, long story short, I discovered this business after trying so many side hustles in the past. See, I tried so many side hustles, affiliate marketing, multi-level marketing, things like that. And I never made money with anything. I spent more money than I made. And this is the only business that I ever made money with. And I highly recommend this business over anything else that I've seen. Like in my personal experience, just my opinion, this is the best, most beginner friendly business that anybody on the planet could start. Okay. So let me just explain how like an online business works, right? Well, this is how any business works, by the way. So you have an offer. The offer is the thing you're selling. That could be a physical product, it can be a digital product, it can be an opportunity, it can be a service, right? It can be your product or other people's products. Okay. So we sell 5 digital programs in the e-learning industry, which allows you to earn up to $1,400 per sale, which means you only need 72 customers to make 100K, which is about 6 customers a month. And we earn 100% profit. So we're not splitting our profits. This is not MLM. This is not affiliate marketing. We don't split our profits. Okay. Step number 2, you have a system. The system is what automates your business, right? Like I have a website that's working for me 24/7. This is how I made $1,400 in my sleep because my system's working for me 24/7. But before people go to my website, they go to my capture page, right? They're putting their emails in, they're watching videos, they're getting emails from me, and at any time they can go to my website and buy stuff, okay? So you just got to get as many people as possible to go to your website. Your website is your digital store. Just like if you had a physical store, you would want as many people as possible to walk into your store, right? The same thing with your digital store. So we have a strategy for attracting customers. This is marketing, okay? Advertising, attraction marketing. So what do we teach? Post 3 pieces of content a day to social media, minimum. You can post as many pieces of content as you want. It's your business. But we say at least 3 pieces of content a day, which should only take you 30 minutes max, okay? Now you can do faceless content. See, there's 4 types of content, right? There's audio, there's video, there's images, and there's written content, okay? So I create a lot of videos, either 7-second videos with words on the screen, talking videos, and I also create images, like faceless images using AI. So you can do faceless or you can do talking videos. I do both myself, right? So I'm not afraid to show my face, and I like to mess around with AI. I think it's fun, so I create a lot of faceless images too for my business, okay? So 3 pieces of content. Then you can also go live on social media. So choose your favorite social media platforms or platforms. This is where we use social media. Okay. We use social media to market our business because there's like 5 billion people a day on social media, right? So you can post content on social media, go live on social media. You can also copy and paste free ads. Okay. That's what you do to drive traffic to your website. But first, you're building your email list. Okay. You're going to learn how to do email marketing here, and you're going to be building your email list. They're going to watch the videos. They're going to go through the sales funnel. I'm going to show you what that looks like. Okay. So that's pretty much it. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Just drop your questions in the comment section, or you can go to my website, which is Wealth with Dan. Let me show you again. Here we go. My website is wealthwithdan.com. Wealth with Dan, because I help you become wealthy, right? Okay. So now let me share my screen with you, and I'll show you exactly what this business looks like. So here is our sales funnel. Okay. This is the website. This is a pre-built system. You can set up this system in a few hours, like 1 to 2 days, you can have your business fully set up. Okay. So here's the website that people go to, right? But before they go to the website, they go to your capture page. It's going to look like this. You just got to put your image here. Like that's my image. That's me hanging out in Florida. I love the beach. Okay. So I was hanging out in Florida, right? So you put your image here, people go here, they put their email in, and then they put their email in. And as soon as they put their email in, they go to the next page, which is the thank you page. Okay. This is where they watch this video. This video is doing the selling for you. Like you don't have to get on the phone with people. You don't have to cold message strangers. You don't have to bother your friends and family. You don't need tech skills. You don't need a following or anything to do this business. Okay. So you don't have to waste your time like trying to close sales and hang out and hang out in the DMs. You don't have to do that because we teach you how to do attraction marketing, and these videos are doing the selling for you. Right. So here's one video. Here's another video we send on to people's emails. Two videos explain everything. Now they watch the videos, your potential customer, your lead, they watch the videos and they can buy from you if they're interested, if they like what they see. And it takes people to the website, which looks like this. So what is this? This is a beginner-friendly program to build online income flexibility and freedom. Okay. So a beginner-friendly way to make money online using done-for-you digital products while developing the skills to unlock even more income opportunities, including this is a global business opportunity. Learn how to build recurring income streams, monetizing social media, email marketing, affiliate marketing, create your own digital products, UGC, brand deals, TikTok shop monetization, and you become certified in digital marketing. Okay. So we have 59,000 people in our community and growing. We did $29 million in sales in 10 months reselling these programs that we all sell. Okay. And we teach you how to get your first customer in 7 days. So this is the website. I'm just going to show you what it looks like real quick. We have testimonies on the website. Why do people love our program? It's beginner friendly. We have a 2-hour workday. Okay. It's available in English and Spanish. It's global business. You can get customers from any part of the world. As long as somebody has a way to receive payments, they have a payment gateway, a payment processor that they can attach to their website, then anybody can do this. Okay. It's simple steps and tools. You keep every dollar that you make 100% profit up to $1,400 per sale, and you learn to attract customers. Okay. Now we have a community of 59,000 people and growing. Inside of our community, you get live interactive millionaire mentoring inside of our community. Okay. That's me playing my guitar. Here's me in the Bahamas, right? So all you got to do is put your picture here on the website. You're not going to use my picture. You brand yourself, your picture, your bio. Okay. And why this is perfect for you. It's a pre-built digital business, okay, and a blueprint to follow to get customers. You want to make extra income from home, but you don't know where to start. Your 9-to-5 job doesn't provide financial security and you need a better way. You want to work from home anywhere using just your phone or laptop. Retirement is around the corner and you need a reliable income stream. You're a busy parent looking for a flexible, family-friendly business. You've tried other opportunities but struggled to see real results. You want a step-by-step system that takes the guesswork out of online business. Okay. More testimonials. We teach you how to use AI like Claude, ChatGPT, all these different tools to help you build your business with AI. I use AI all the time. It's my number one assistant. Okay. And this is what sets us apart from other side hustles out there. We earn 100% profit. And there's a certification training that you can go through. So you become a certified reseller of the programs. And it's a global business in English and Spanish. Okay. So you can check out the website yourself. And this is what you're going to learn inside of the programs. Like this is going to show you what you're going to learn, right? And this is what we sell. We sell these 5 done-for-you digital programs in the e-learning industry, which is a billion-dollar-a-day industry. So they teach you like how to do digital marketing, how to build an online business, how to build multiple streams of income in a variety of ways. Social media monetization, community monetization, UGC, brand deals, TikTok shop, affiliate marketing, email marketing, and more. You're going to learn all this stuff here. And so you can learn from the programs and resell them. And you can only earn at the level you're at. So if you're at the $1,400 level, that's how you earn $1,400 commissions. That's how I made $1,400 in my sleep, because somebody purchased the $1,400 level. Okay. So if you're at the $100 level, you can only earn at that level, but you can always upgrade, right? So it's a one-time investment. There's no monthly fees. All you got to do is purchase one of the programs and you're good to go. I went with the $1,400 program because it's the best and I deserve the best. You also deserve the best. Okay. So that's basically what the website looks like. And then you get bonuses, access to our community for free millionaire mentoring to help you build. The millionaire mentor is going to help you build your business, and I'll help you build your business too. Okay. And you get all these bonus trainings like how to do faceless, how to create your own products and sell them and market them, all that stuff. So that's the website. So this is the website that you get. It's a really good website. I mean, look at other websites. You can compare it. Look at Apple, for example. Apple is similar to this. It's just very small. Apple has videos and stuff, but you don't need all that. So there you go. That's the website. I showed you how the system works. So let's say you just decide to purchase one of the programs. Okay. You're going to have access to your program inside of Kajabi, which is here, right? So you're going to have access to your program, your certification, your bonuses. Okay. So your program's in here. All you got to do is just go through the program step by step, right? It shows you start here, phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, right? And if you want to know what you're going to learn, it's on the website as well. Okay, so that's where your program is. For example, you go start here and you just go through the trainings, you watch the videos, take notes, implement, okay? And yeah, rinse and repeat if you need to watch it again. So just go through the program generally. Over time, it's going to teach you everything you want to know about how to make money, right? That's what the programs teach. Because if you want to learn how to make 6 and 7 figures, you got to learn how to do that. It's not just going to magically happen. You got to actually learn skills, right? You got to upgrade your mindset and you got to upgrade your skill set. Like, obviously, right? But some people think somehow they're going to get rich quick doing absolutely nothing. No, that's not how this world works. You got to like upgrade your skill set and mindset if you want to upgrade your bank account, right? So this shows you how to set up your website. For example, like you got to set up your website, your system, right? You got to set up these pages. Okay. I've set up these pages numerous times because I changed my brand a couple of times, which was a bad idea, but that's what I did. So it takes you like a few hours to set up this business. Okay. It doesn't take long. This shows you what accounts you need to open up. Like you need, GoDaddy, you need to get a domain, you need your payment processors, things like that. And GoDaddy, it shows you how to get your domain. My domain is Wealth with Dan. I would keep it something simple. I would keep like pick your domain. Be very careful about what domain you pick because that should be your forever brand. Like Wealth with Dan, that's my forever brand. Okay, that's my forever brand. So like make sure it's something simple and something that you can put on a T-shirt or a hat, something that you love. It could be your name. I recommend using your name, either your full name or it could be like Wealth with Dan. Work with Dan, win with Dan. I recommend something like that. Okay. If you have help with that, you can ask AI, you can ask me, and I can also help you. So yeah, you got to set up your GoDaddy. You got to get your payment gateways like Square, PayPal. That's what I use. I use Square, PayPal, and Stripe. So you got to attach your gateways, and this shows you how to attach your system. And when you're finished, it looks like this. There you go. Okay, now let me show you into our community. Okay, this is actually my free community because I'm learning how to build a community because of this program. So I'm building my community right now. So you can also join my community. It's the Wealth Academy, but you also get access to our free community where we got this is our big community. We got over 59,000 people in there. Okay, so let me just show you proof that people are making money, right? So when you're new to the community, all you got to do is introduce yourself, go here, right? Like introduce yourself. And if you have questions, you can ask questions. Okay. So let's show you proof that people are making money right now. Okay, let's see. Let's find a win. See, people post whatever they want to post, right? Whatever wins they want to post. It doesn't matter what you can post whatever you want to post, right? This person had 12 sales in 1.5 weeks in the digital space. Okay. She made $1,400 on Cinco de Mayo, May 5th, Cinco de Mayo. $1,400 sale for Reese. So blessed to be part of such an amazing group. Yes. $100 sale. Boom. For Monica. Okay. $1,400 sale after I prayed. God is so good. She prayed and she got a $1,400 sale. God has provided all my family's needs. Having this business is such a blessing. So thankful. There you go. That's a good one. I like that. Yeah, $100 here. There you go. Boom, $100 because you can earn 100, 300, 600, 900, and 1,400. Okay. So she made 900 before 8 o'clock. Okay. Jennifer, boom. So I'm talking about, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. And $100 here. There you go. All right. So yeah, in our community, we have more bonus training. So we got a lot of training. So you have an abundance of training to help you build your business and help you build your mindset, right? Strategy for building your business. It's all about mindset and strategy, right? And they say like 95% of success is based on mindset. So it's very important. That's why I teach mindset inside of my community as well, right? So also our calendar, this shows you we have live events. We have monthly onboarding tomorrow. If you're brand new, you can join these onboarding calls. Okay, we have legacy builder training, which is every it's millionaire mentoring every Monday. We have tech calls if you need help setting up your website. You shouldn't, but if you do, we have it. Okay, and yeah, that's it. And then look at the members. So wait, look at this map. See, we have people from all over the world, global business. Look at this. Whoa, let me zoom in. Let me zoom out. See, look at this. We got people literally building this business from all over the world. All over the world, people are building this business. Okay. Global business pays out in American dollars. Pretty cool. Yeah. Okay. So, like I said, this is all you got to do. Hold on. This is all you got to do to build this business. You got to get it set up. You plug into our community. You can set up in 1 to 2 days. You plug into our community for training and support. That's where you get like the community is so important because the community just keeps you inspired, right? If you try to do everything by yourself, boring. But with the community, you're always inspired and there's always help, 24/7 help and support for you and for your customers. Okay. So yeah, so like I said, set it up, plug into the community, and then you're following the 2-hour workday. We also teach you how to get your first sale in 7 days. All you need is 1 sale, you get your investment back. 2 sales, your business is in profit, right? It took me about 2 weeks to get my first sale. And I never had that get your first sale in 7 days training. I never had that. Okay. So yeah, and then after that, you're just following the 2-hour workday. Like I said, you can post content on social media, you can go live, you can post free ads. That's pretty much what we teach. You can also there's 4 ways to get customers, right? Paid ads, warm outreach, that means bothering friends and family. Cold outreach, that means cold messaging strangers, and free content. You can do whatever you want, but we teach you how to do the free content strategies. So you don't have to pay for ads, you don't have to bother friends, you don't have to cold message strangers. Okay. So let me show you, for example, like how I use YouTube to promote my business, right? I'll give you some ideas, right? Let me share my screen again. Um, yeah, okay. So look, for example, ooh, yeah. So you can see I like to watch a lot of sports. I like watch music and sports, as you can see on my homepage. Sports and music, that's my thing. Okay. So look here. This is what I do. I use this my YouTube, I use it for promoting my business, and I also help people with their mindset. So look at this. I create these videos for my business. See, some of these videos are for mindset and other business, and all of these videos are for my business. I like to mix it up. Okay. So there you go. I create little videos like this video you're watching right now. It's for my business. Okay. I'm promoting my business, right? I'm sharing my business with people. Okay. So I create long form videos over 10 minutes. Okay. Look at this. Shorts. I create short form videos where I'm just talking for like a minute or less. Okay. I do little 7-second videos with words on the screen. You see? Okay. That's what I do there. And then my lives, I go live on YouTube and I go live on TikTok. So my lives are also saved and recorded so people can watch the replays. That's pretty cool, right? And then I do little playlists, right? I have different playlists. Some are for my business, others are for mindset. Okay, I have playlists as well. And then I do posts, which is cool too, on YouTube. Now you can choose whatever social media platform. I'm on a lot of them. Like I'm on pretty much every social media platform, the main ones, but you can use anyone. See, this is a faceless image. You see this? You don't have to show your face. This is a faceless image all about my business. You see that? All about this business, completely faceless. So if you want to do faceless, you can do faceless. I like to do both. I think faceless is cool. I think it's fun to learn how to do all this stuff. I enjoy actually learning how to do this stuff. Okay, here's another faceless. Is that me? No, it's not me, obviously. It's a faceless piece of content. Okay, here's faceless. This so I like to mix up like a little business and motivation. Motivation, inspiration. This is motivation. This is value, right? Value means motivation, inspiration, education, entertainment. So I do that and I do business. Okay, you mix it up. See? This is value. No, nothing about the business. The business is also value, but it's the business is kind of like an ad, and the value is just value, nothing about the business, right? So here's value, business, value, business. Okay, value, business. So usually sometimes they say you should do like one business post for like every value post. But hey, sometimes I just do more business because that's just what happens. Yeah. All right. So I showed you everything. If you got questions, reply to my emails. Either enter your email, reply to my emails, or just drop it in the comments. Okay. And yeah, just go to wealthwithdan.com, enter your email, check out the information, check your spam, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint, junk folder. Sometimes emails go there, right? And if you have any questions, reply to my emails. If you want to join my community, reply community. Otherwise, like the video, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Like if you know anybody that's struggling financially, they're dealing with financial stress and they need a way out and they're looking for like a legitimate way to make money online, then just share this video. Okay. Otherwise, thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day. God bless.